Hey guys, welcome to the Real Japanese Studio again. Thank you very much for making a purchase of my textbook every time I post a video. Um, Actually, there was a malfunction on my webpage, and some probably people had trouble downloading my textbook. But now everything but yeah, I think everything is fixed. So like today, I took a little time in order to fix everything. So probably like there used to be a problem even in downloading my sample textbook, but now you can download a sample from my description on my YouTube video, so there would be no problem about it. Okay, so if you're willing to make a purchase, just click on the website link in my description. Okay, so today's word is desho, 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 which is the 19th word. Okay, so desho is very easy. Actually, every single word included in my textbook is easy but not frequently discussed, okay, in your typical Japanese lectures or maybe tutorials. Okay, so the definition is right. Okay, it's easy, right? It's right, desho. It's easy, desho. So it's like that. Okay, so let me read the explanation. So desho is used in its way with a question mark at the end of like right, okay, in English. Also, it is accompanied by a sentence functioning in the same way as sentence plus right. So you're experiencing a positive answer or an arrangement or an agreement when using this word from the person you are communicating with, and you are confident in what you're saying. Depending upon the type of word, okay, to which desho is attached, you may need to adjust the position of the word in the sentence. Okay, and here the key point is okay described or illustrated on exactly the same page, right? Desho. Okay, so in the key section it says okay verb plus desho. So verb plus desho. In this case, okay, you have to put desho directly. Okay, when you want to use with e adjective, so e adjective plus desho, like oishii desho, so it's like it's tasty, right? So in this case, you put desho directly. Okay, so what about the case of na adjective? Okay, you have to omit na, okay, from the adjective. For instance, kirei is in the correct form, it should be kirei na because it's na adjective. But if you want to use desho with na adjective, you have to omit na, like kirei desho or something. So you have to omit na from kirei na, okay, which is a na adjective. So the last key point is noun plus desho. Okay, so in this case, put desho directly. It's computer, right? In this case, computer desho is the right way of saying it. Okay, it's easy. So you just need to memorize these four ways of using desho so you can be familiar, okay, with this vocabulary. For instance, okay, let's go to the example. Example 1 says 明日学校行くでしょ? Okay, 明日学校行くでしょ? 明日 is tomorrow. 学校 is school. So 行く is go. Okay, 行く is a verb, it's go, right? So 明日学校行く is like tomorrow I go to school. By putting desho directly, okay, at the end of the sentence, you can make a sentence which means okay, you are going to school tomorrow, right? Okay, so 行く is a verb, so you didn't need to make any adjustment. Okay, you just put desho at the end. So what about the second case? このおにぎり好きでしょ? Onigiri is a rice ball, which is very popular in Japan, and you can find a variety of onigiri, okay, at convenience store. So I think you can enjoy that if you like seaweed. And このおにぎり is this rice ball. Okay, 好き is like. Since this is a verb, you put directly でしょ. So このおにぎり好きでしょ is you like this rice ball, right? You like this onigiri, right? Okay, it's easy. The third example. この財布 かわいいでしょ。Okay, 財布 is wallet or purse. Okay, so この財布 is this wallet. かわいい is cute or pretty, which probably you have already learned. And desho is directly put, okay, at the end because かわいい is e adjective. So この財布かわいいでしょ is this wallet is cute, right? Okay, so let's go to the fourth example. これおいしいでしょ which is exactly the same example as I introduced in the first part of this video. So これおいしいでしょ It's like this is tasty, right? おいしい is e adjective. Easy. So go to the fifth example. ここ静かでしょ Here, ここ is here, okay? 静か. Okay, 静か means quiet. But 静か is actually an adjective, like 静かな place. So 静かな場所 or something. It's an adjective. So in this case, you have to omit な. So ここ静かでしょ You omitted な. Okay? So here is quiet. Right. So the sixth example. これきれいでしょ As I told you, きれい is an adjective. So you have to omit な. これきれいでしょ This is beautiful, right? Easy. あの人、日本人でしょあの is that, 人 is person, 日本人 is Japanese. If you are from America, you can call yourself アメリカ人 because America is the name of a country, and by putting 人, which means a person, you can say that you are American. In my case, I'm Japanese, so I would say 日本人. 日本 means Japan, and 人 is a person. So a person from Japan is 日本人. Okay? So あの人日本人でしょ is that person is Japanese, right? Okay. 日本人 is noun, so you directly put でしょ at the end. So the last example. 嘘でしょ嘘でしょ嘘でしょ is like you're lying, you're kidding, right? Okay, 嘘 is a lie. Okay? And so it's noun, so you need to put just directly でしょ at the end. So 嘘でしょ is like you are kidding, or like it's a lie, right? Or something. Okay? I think this part was very easy. And my textbook includes a lot of this type of vocabulary, and that is frequently used in every single example. Okay? So what it means is that the vocabulary you learn, okay, as you go through my textbook will reappear in the examples, okay, you face, okay, or you see in different parts of my textbook. So you can automatically review my vocabulary. So please be aware that the vocabulary you learn in the first part will definitely reappear in the latter part of my textbook. So you can review it, okay? And by being aware of that, I think you can enhance your understanding, and I think it will make them commit to your memory better. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you next time.